Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to save document from WhatsApp to Android. So what you have to gonna do, you will just simply open the WhatsApp and you will open the chat where is the document saved. You will just download it and hold it and click to the three dots on the top right and click to share, and you will just share it from any application. So, and you will also share to in WhatsApp someone's. So I will just click to the Google Drive, so I will just save it in the folder. So it's simply you will just save the document from WhatsApp to the Android device. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.